for joining us today.
We have a fantastic new feature to show you today here on RoofSnap, specifically on an Android device, but this feature is live and up and running on all of our platforms.
Yes.
It has to do with being able to preview thumbnail images of all of our imagery options before you commit to any of those options, whether it would be near map or standard definition imagery. So let's go right into the sketch screen, Katrina.
All right, it's going to find our Google location here for the pin that we
It's going to geolocate that address for us, and so we are on the right house. And in order to see all of the imagery options, we're going to go ahead and tap on this confirm location in the upper right-hand corner. This is going to bring us into a view where we can see these nice thumbnails, specifically of our near map imagery.
Yeah.
And when you're picking a near map image, look for something that's very straight down. You don't want to see any walls. You don't want to see the siding. Mm-hmm. Minimal shadows so that you can draw all the lines. And of course, no leaves on the trees, or at least leaves on the trees that hang over top of the roof.
Sure.
This June 2nd image here from 2017 is probably just about the best image for this address. So I'm going to go ahead and, since I get to preview them first, now I know that I'm very content with that $5 purchase for that really nice image there from Nearmap.
Yes, wonderful.
So I'll go ahead and tap on that, and it's going to load that image right in here to our sketch screen. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and rotate the image to make sure that it's nice and straight, and then tap on that snap and start drawing to load in the image right here into the sketch screen, just like we normally would.
We hope you enjoy this new image update feature, and thanks for joining us.